you're wondering how to get more exposure for your music on TikTok, or you created a sound and you want that to go viral, well then guess what? You're in the right place. In this video, we're gonna be going over the best way to promote your sounds, promote your music in order to get the most amount of streams, the most amount of views, and to get the most amount of people to use that sound, use that music in their videos so you get hundreds of thousands, millions, or even tens of millions of views from it. This is the #1 way to promote your music if you're a musician, or to start a trend on TikTok if you're a small creator or even a big creator and you wanna start a trend and literally gain hundreds of thousands of followers overnight. This is the best way to do it. And like I said, I don't care if you're just trying to post a sound that's gonna go viral, or you wanna launch your music career and you wanna get in front of record labels or get in front of big producers or something of that matter. This video is gonna show you exactly how you could do that and how you could get thousands of creators, influencers, people with a way larger following than you to use your music, to use your sounds to make it go viral. And you'll be able to do all this without having to do that much work. No, seriously, keep watching. I'm about to show you guys how you can coordinate this without having to reach out to hundreds or thousands of people. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin, and I'm the CEO of helping people grow on TikTok. I have the #1 YouTube video for several searches: TikTok hashtag, TikTok algorithm, how to go viral on TikTok, and so many other things. And I've dedicated my whole entire life. Actually, I quit working for Gary Vee just to help you guys grow on TikTok, and in this video specific, to help you guys get more exposure for your sounds and for your music. But before I go into telling you how you're gonna do that, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button so you never miss another episode, and I need you to go follow the creator that I put right here. I'm gonna give a shout out in my next YouTube video and on my next podcast to somebody that goes and follows this creator and comments on their last video and tags me in it. So the biggest complaint that I get from artists, from musicians, from people just trying to get a sound to go viral is that they can't get enough people to use their sound or to use their music. And in most cases, a lot of people are just lazy. They don't want to hit up hundreds of people or thousands of people to tell them to do something and be like, hey, I'm releasing this sound, I'm releasing this song on said date, I need you guys to all make a video with this. Like 10% of people actually do it. So you're gonna have to reach out to thousands of people in order to actually get people to partake in it. And I know what you're thinking. Who's got time for that? Who wants to do that? I'm gonna tell you a way easier way to do that in a little bit. Because every single day I see so many musicians, so many creators fail miserably at trying to start a trend with either their song or their music. And 99% of the time, it all comes down to them just promoting it the wrong way. And just so you guys know, the reason that big artists and big celebrities on TikTok are able to do this and start trends so easily is because they have a distribution team, they have a music team behind them that is actually reaching out to all these people and doing all this work for them. So I want to tell you guys how you could do that without needing any of that stuff. And we all know that the #1 way to get something to trend on TikTok is to get as many creators as possible to do it. When you do this, it sets off a chain reaction because so many people are going to duet that thing. You might even have pages like mine say that, hey, this is a trending sound, and then so many other people do it. That is the way that this actually works. People see the same thing over and over again on the For You page, or small creators see a big creator use a sound and then they think, hey, that's what I need to do. I need to use that sound, and boom, my post is gonna go viral. At the end of the day, you need to realize that you're gonna be successful promoting a sound, promoting music by framing it in the right manner. When you just frame it as what's in it for you, nobody's gonna wanna do it. People in general, especially people on TikTok, are more than happy to help you promote your sound, promote your music, but you have to frame it in a manner for what's in it for them. People are doing the WAP dance because they know it's gonna get views. They need to be using your sound or your music knowing that it's gonna get them more views. Otherwise, they're just gonna keep on scrolling. And so recently I helped @PipMusic_ promote his new song, Come Closer, with 2AM, and they got over 600 videos created on TikTok with this sound in less than 2 days. But more importantly, he had a huge record label reach out to him because they want to now promote his music and start to work with him. And all of this happened just because he had 600 creators use his sound in the first 48 hours that it was uploaded to TikTok. So this happened because of a few things. First, I used it and then I said that it was a trending sound, and then a ton of other creators started to do it. I sent it out to a ton of people also, and then just a chain reaction went off where one person would do it, one person would duet my video, and then another person would do it, and before you know it, we had 600 people that used this sound from, I hate to say it, but an unknown artist in less than 48 hours. So if you want to get your sound or music out there, you need to do these two things. But before I tell you that, I see so many people running these contests where they'll literally put their notes up behind them in a green screen and say, hey, for 1,000 views, I'll pay you this much. For 100,000 views, I'll pay you this much. That is not the right way to start to promote your music, because honestly, people just don't think that you're actually going to pay them unless you're showing proof that you're going to pay them. So in most cases, nobody actually does it. This is a terrible way to promote your music, to promote your sound, and honestly, I don't think I've ever seen it work for anybody. The best way to actually do it is to make a video that says like, hey, this sound or this song is glitched, and whenever somebody uses it, it gets a ton of views, and then start to show proof of that. But you could do that after it's already been sent out to an initial list of influencers, or a lot of people have already done it, and you have proof of that, and you put the green screen in the back and do that. Makes it so much better. But that is the number one way to do it. You want to play into people's skepticism, not tell them that you'll pay them, because honestly, most people don't think that you'll pay them. But if people think that something is glitched, or there's a secret, or there's a hack to a sound or a song, well then guess what? They're gonna use that sound, they're gonna use that music because they want in on a glitch. Everybody wants easy stuff, and that's how they do it. In addition to that, these videos get a ton of watch time whenever you make a video like that, so your video will get initial views, and then you'll get a ton of people to do it because this is also trending and TikTok is gonna push it out like crazy. I've helped hundreds of artists do this same exact concept in order to get hundreds of thousands, even millions of videos made and views on their videos. So I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, with Pip Music, we got 600 videos made. How many views did that actually equate to? It equated to 3.4 million views. So with 600 videos, they got 3.4 million views. All you need is one view from somebody at Universal or Warner Records or some agency in order to contact you and then say, hey, this guy's got talent. I need to work with him. You guys need to realize that that is actually how it happens. They find somebody with raw talent. So if you think you have talent right now, then trust me, you need to keep listening, because I'm telling you, this is going to be the main way that you could start to distribute your music, get millions of views overnight on just hundreds of videos made. Scooter Braun found Justin Bieber on YouTube, and Jazz Prince found Drake on MySpace, and somebody is gonna find you on TikTok. And the second way to do this is to get other influencers to push your stuff out. You need to make a dance, you need to have a really good song, and you need to get hundreds, thousands of influencers to be able to make videos to it. That's what we did for Pip Music. That's how he got 3.4 million views from it. That's how he got hit up by a major record label as a result of it. Now, I know what you're thinking, Rob, I don't have access to hundreds of influencers. I don't have access to thousands of influencers, and to be quite frank, I don't wanna go through the process of reaching out to all of them, and I don't have a distribution team. I don't have anybody that could do something like that. And that is exactly why I created my Guarantees Views product that's on my website. It works like this. You purchase a guaranteed amount of views, it's going to get then sent out to influencers, you're gonna get trackable links, and you're gonna get guaranteed results. If you don't get the amount of views that you purchase on your sound or on your song, well then guess what? You're gonna get your money back. And the result of this is going to be thousands of people making videos to your song, to your sound, and guess what? That's gonna result in millions of views, and you never know. Somebody from Universal, somebody from Warner Brothers might actually see your video, and then they're gonna see how much talent you have and say, hey, this kid's pretty smart. They started a small trend on TikTok with their music. If we put some major power behind them, I think we could sign a deal with them. Even if you're not promoting music, this is gonna put way more firepower and way more, hundreds of more creators behind any sound that you wanna promote. And trust me, 99% of people that start trends on TikTok, that start music on TikTok, that even start sounds going viral on TikTok, they do something exactly like this, or they have an audience that they're already talking to and get them to participate in it. And I wanna make that even easier for you by opening up my Rolodex of contacts for influencers, literally at the click of a button. So if you want to do this for your own sound, for your own music, I'm telling you, you don't even have to start with that much. The lowest package starts at $30, and in a lot of cases, you end up getting way more views than that, because we'll pay for $30 worth of creators to do it. It'll get sent out to 100 creators, maybe 200, maybe 300 creators, and then the result of that is actually hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. If you want to learn more about this, I strongly suggest you go to the link in the description, check it out. I'm telling you guys, if you want to promote a sound or promote your music, this is the #1 way to do it on TikTok. It's going to get sent out to thousands of influencers at the click of a button. And if you don't get the views, you get your money back, no questions asked. But if you don't want to pay for that, you don't want to put your money where your mouth is and get your sound or your music pushed out to thousands of people, well then guess what? Go with the first method that I told you. Just make a video, make something, make a trend around it where say, hey, this sound is glitched, or this hashtag is glitched, or this music is glitched. If you use it, your videos go viral, show people proof of that, and then guess what? You're gonna have more people than you could have ever imagined using your sound, using your music, using your hashtag.